Hey crafter, I'm so glad you're here. In this tutorial, we are making a card and envelope pair. I will be demonstrating how to make this card with and without glitter. In the first part of this tutorial, I will be showing you how to assemble the card without adding glitter. Steps 7 through 9 should be skipped if you would like to add glitter to your card. Start by loading your mat with the cardstock for the envelope. Place the scoring wheel in clamp B. In my experience, when scoring is a part of your project, it will always start with the scoring wheel. Following the prompts from Design Space, cut the envelope and the rest of the mats for the remaining card pieces. When your CRICUT is done cutting a mat, unload it, flip it over, and pull your mat away from your cardstock instead of pulling the cardstock off of the mat. This will prevent your cardstock from rolling or bending. Fold your envelope along all 4 score lines and set it aside for later. Fold the card along the score line and start to assemble the layers of your card just to get an idea of the finished project before you start gluing pieces down. The large blue piece with the spikes is the layer we will be glittering, so if you plan to add glitter, you should not glue that down until it is sparkling. Glue down the envelope, being careful not to get any glue on the middle area or you risk gluing your envelope shut. Glue the first layer of your card down. Dab the mesh-like areas with the glue stick and hold pressure to prevent the layer from peeling up before the glue dries. If you are not glittering your card, continue through step 9. Please do not glue down this piece if you plan to add glitter to your card. Be very gentle when handling the love. To glue it down, I turned it upside down and dabbed it with the glue stick. Then I applied it to the card and held pressure. Brush on a thin layer of Mod Podge to the piece that you'll be adding glitter to. You can tell if you look closely that my card was actually assembled, and I pulled it apart so that I could show you both with and without glitter. I was quick though. Once this glue is dry, it will definitely rip up your cardstock, so do not glue your card together before applying glitter or you will most likely be recutting your pieces like I did the first time I attempted this project. Glitter! It is finally time to add your glitter. Just dump it on, make a mess, tap off the excess, and allow it to dry. I definitely didn't wait long enough to move on to the next part because I am impatient, but you should probably allow a good 30 minutes to 1 hour for this glitter layer to dry. Collect your excess glitter, there will be no wasting. Brush on a thin, even coat of polycrylic. This will prevent the glitter from shedding. I love glitter, you most likely love glitter, not everyone loves glitter. Be respectful and seal it in. While your polycrylic is still wet, a second coat of glitter is optional. Skip to step 16 if you aren't adding a second coat. I didn't love the texture of my glitter and I knew an additional layer would really smooth things out. It also added extra coverage. Tap off the excess glitter and allow it to dry. Don't forget to collect your excess glitter. Peachy Olive is too beautiful to waste. Please be patient and let your card dry before adding your top coat of polycrylic. My initial coat of polycrylic had a funky texture because I wasn't patient. I didn't wait for the Mod Podge to dry. If your glitter is sliding around while you're trying to seal it, it's not going to look right, so be patient. I let the second coat of glitter dry overnight and then applied my top coat of polycrylic the next morning. Glue the top layer with the love onto your glitter layer. Make sure to apply lots of pressure so the edges don't try to come up. Glue that whole piece down onto your card, again applying pressure. Fill out your card, place it into your envelope and seal. I will be doing a part 2 to this tutorial where I show you how I use my CRICUT to draw the inside of my card. You can even use it to sign your name, but I usually do that by hand because I like to add a personal touch.